still my name. Welcome to Teach Me TV. I am going to take you through comparing of fractions today. It is very easy to compare fractions, but I have come to discover that a whole lot of students are afraid of fractions. But let me assure you, I'm going to make it very easy for you today. So, comparing fractions. Let us look at this chart. I find it very interesting. What can you see here? If both your denominators are the same, here, alligator sign, just like a game. The alligator is the greater numerator. That is to say, alligator loves eating the bigger fraction, but it leaves the smaller fraction. If both numerators are the same, the alligator is a smaller fraction. This is what it means. This fraction here is greater than this fraction. So the alligator will face the bigger fraction. So greater than faces this way, while the other one at the other side is the less than. So this one, if the denominator is the same, the one with the bigger numerator is the greater fraction. This is a rule that you must always remember. When we have two fractions having the same denominator, the one with the bigger numerator is the bigger fraction. When we have two fractions having the same numerator, the one with the smaller denominator is the bigger fraction. That is a rule you must always remember. Now, somebody may ask, what do we do if we have two fractions without the same numerator or the same denominator? This is what we are going to do. For example, you have 2 over 3 compared with, let me use a box here. We don't know which one is greater. Compared to 3 over 4. There is no the same numerator here and there is no the same denominator here. There are two ways of solving this kind of fraction. The first one is a straight, round, easy way to go. What do? We cross multiply each of the other fraction with the denominator of the other fraction. For example, this 4 you cross multiply with 2. So you are going to have 4 times 2, 8. Then 3 times 3, 9. Now, look at 8 and 9. Which one is bigger? 9. Therefore, 3 over 4 is the bigger denominator, is the bigger fraction. The second method is to look for a way of making the fractions have the same denominator. For example, 2 over 3 box 3 over 4. Now, what do I do to make this denominator the same? That is, in another way, what is the LCM of 3 and a 4? That is, what can 3 and 4 go into? 12. You are right. So, what can I multiply with this 3 to give me a 12? You're going to multiply with 4. So, you're going to multiply here the numerator and the denominator by 4. So, you are going to have 8 over 12. In the second one, what am I going to multiply with 3 over 4 to give me a denominator of 12? A 3. So 3 over 3. Now we are going to have 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 3, 12. Now they have the same denominator. Let us have a look. 8 over 12 compared to 9 over 12. Remember your chart. When you have two fractions having the same denominator, the one with the bigger numerator is the bigger fraction. So in this box here, it means the alligator is going to eat this. So remember, this 8 over 12 is the same thing as 2 over 3. And this 9 over 12 is the same thing as 3 over 4. So, 3 over 4. So comparing 2 over 3 and 3 over 4, 3 over 4 is the bigger fraction. I hope it is very clear to you. Can we take another example? Let us see another example. We have 3 over 5 compared to 2 over 3. In the first method, we can say 9 multiplied by 3, you have a 9. 3 multiplied by 3 rather, you have a 9. 5 multiplied by 2, you have a 10. Between 9 and a 10, which one is bigger? 10, of course, which means 3 over 5 is less than 2 over 3. That is to say, 2 over 3 is greater than 3 over 5. Let us confirm by the second method. This is the second method. You make the two denominators equal. What will I multiply by 3 over 5 to give me the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3? The lowest common multiple of 5 and 3 is 15. So, I am going to use 3 to multiply this fraction to have a denominator of 15. So, 3 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 3. Whatever you do to the numerator, you must do to the denominator, remember? So, 9 over 15. So, second one, 2 over 3 multiplied by what to give me a 15? You are right, 5 over 5. So, now you're going to have 10 over 15. So, the two are having the same denominator now. 9 over 15 compared to 10 over 15. Which one is having a bigger numerator? Of course, 10 over 15. Correct. So, you are going to say alligator is the bigger one. And what is 9 over 15? 3 over 5. What is 10 over 15? 2 over 3. So, that is how to compare fractions. So next time you come across a problem of fractions like this, all you need to do, it is either to test multiply the denominator of one with the numerator of the other one, and the denominator of the first one to the second one, then you look at which one is the bigger number. So you can see that it is easy to actually compare fractions. The quickest way, which is multiply the denominator of the second one with the numerator of the first one, and the denominator of the first one with the numerator of the second one, then you just see which numerator is bigger. That is your bigger fraction. Or you just make these two denominators the same as this one, then you see which one is the bigger numerator, and then you have your bigger fraction. I'm going to give you some to try at home. Why not do this for me? Supposing you have 1 over 2 compared with 3 over 5. Then the second one, 4 over 6 compared with 1 over 3. Give this one a trial. I am sure you'll be able to easily get which one is a bigger fraction. Thank you. Thank you, viewers. I remain Tunji Tunde T, Triple T. Subscribe to Teach Me TV and make sure you press the notification button to always get episodes like this from us. Thank you.